Hi, I'm Andrea Smith with Echo Park Paper, and I'm so excited to show you our Merry Christmas collection. Our Merry Christmas collection kit with all of the stickers, Santa delivering presents, decorating the Christmas tree, and the coordinating solids paper pack. You're going to get 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers. You can see all the beautiful colors there. And here are the papers. Our 3 by 4 journaling cards with that beautiful Christmas scene. I love that little ice skating. Our Merry Christmas cars, buses picking up their Christmas trees. The beautiful snowflakes on that blue. 4 by 6 journaling cards. And Santa with some holly and berry pattern. Christmas lights. A really fun candy cane red stripe. Snow globes has lots of different cute little elements in each one with a green ornament pattern. This is a journaling card cut apart, and you have all of your different sized cards. I'm excited to use this one for all my gifting tags with a red dot snowflake on the back, a blue tonal and white snowflake with your Jingle Bells music sheet. Decorating the tree, getting ready for Christmas, and your Merry Christmas, add a cute list on there, add a photo, and your layout's done. Countdown to Christmas with your green holly and berries, red snowflakes with all of your fun Christmas words. Santa's on the move with this one. He's on a cute bike running. Has his bag and presents with your blue snowflake and your ornaments with your tree. We have our chipboard accent sheet. Has your cute taxi for people who live in the city. Santa delivering presents. I love that cute little helicopter plane. And your chipboard phrases with all of the words associated with that. We have our 6 by 6 paper pad. We have our Santa sleigh stencil and our Christmas snow stencil, our enamel dots, and our new SKU of puffy stickers. You can see that little elevated elements on that. Our washi tapes, the red and white snowflake, the blue Santa and reindeer, and our Christmas lights, as well as our Merry Christmas washi tape and Santa delivering presents. We have our dies, our mistletoe and bow die set, our Merry Christmas holly berries die set, our Season's Greetings word die set, our die and stamp set. So this is a 4 by 6 stamp with 6 coordinating dies, and we have our 4 by 6 stamp. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop our new collections coming to you soon.